Hi and hello, this is Ker from Triad YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the easiest machine from Hackthebox. The name of the machine is Bank. So I have pinged the machine. Currently the machine is in live. It was in the retired session. And I have noticed that the machine is in Linux based machine. I have done the nmap scan and noticed that three ports are open, 22 SSH, 53 DNS and 80 for HTTP. And I have found some more versions like Ubuntu OpenSSH 6.61 PL. I think it has an exploit for username enumeration. ISC bind 9.9 9.9.5 hyphen 3 Ubuntu. I need to check whether it have a exploit or not. Port 80 2.4.7. I think have some privilege exclusion. I have moved to Yabel. I have moved to enumeration of port 80. Notice that your form is hidden, and I have changed the IP to hostname bank.http. I have entered the bank.http directly landed to the login.php. I have checked the default credential admin. I have not found. I have not get the authentic authorization. There is a directory listing vulnerability present in this website. So need to highlight. And one more thing, all the files are like unreadable format, like base characters. And I need to check that we need to check the size. So everything is under the 583, 585, 5 in the same category. But we need to check the size. I have find out one size. Its size is 257. I have downloaded this file and extracted in my local machine, and I have found a credential for Chris OS. The username is Chris at the rate of bank.htp. This is the email and this is the password. I have entered both the credential in the login page. Currently, I am in the dashboard. I have checked that there is a file upload in the options of support.php. So I have changed the PHP reversal to PHP PNG and the file is uploaded, but I have not get the shell. So why I have not get the shell means, so there is one hint. I added the file extension .htp to execute as PHP for debugging purpose only. So instead of PHP, we need to add .htpp. Then only the file should be executed and we will get the shell. I have repeated the process instead of PNG. I have mentioned the HTTP and I have uploaded the file. Currently, I get the reverse shell. Once the shell is received, I have checked the machine using IP config. So this is the machine. So I have very happy to see. So I have enumerated the flag in the Christopher Christ directory and privilege escalation. Before that, how many users are available in this machine we need to check. So there are two users, root and Chris. I have checked the OS release date. It's a Ubuntu. It's version 14.0.5 LTS, and it was released on I don't know what the release date. I have checked the UNA minus A. It's like the same. Kernel version 4.40-79 to generic. So I have enumerated the database in this machine and notice that root credential. So I have used find perm command and notice that one of the function is emergency var http bin emergency. So I have done some enumeration in Google and I have get the privilege escalation, enter the directory and directly entered, press enter. Finally, I am in the root. So this is the flag. I have checked the IP address. So finally, I have shown all those shadows files. Finally, done the housekeeping. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support me, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.